Write down the following number in standard form. Fine. Very nice. So this is units place, tens place, 1/10ths place, 1/100ths place, 1/1000ths place. So I'm going to start with tens place. 2 into 10, which is 20. 3 into 1, which is 3. 1 into 0.1, which is 0.1. 5 into 0.01, 0.05. 7 into 0.001, 0.007. Add all of these up, we will have 23.157. Done. And this is, remember, this is 2 into 10, 3 into 1. Technically speaking, it would have been nicer if it had been written down the other way around. You talk about the tens place and the units place. It's up to you to be switched on and not mark one of these.